Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry work from home job lead. We've had quite a few non-phone job leads throughout the last week, but I feel like it's been a little bit since we had a data entry position. That is what I am bringing you today. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Pathways. Now, this is a mental health and behavioral health company. They have 161 reviews on Glassdoor. Their score right now is a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an HR data entry specialist. Now, this is full-time. It says remote flexible within the United States. Now, if you live close to one of their offices, you can do the potential for hybrid, but they are also hiring fully remote. They're paying $19.23 an hour for this position. But this is a data entry for their human resources department. So you'll be the point of contact for all administrative tasks related to electronic employment records within the ADP software system and the Career Plug software system. So basically this means you'll supervise the administrative function for a regional human resources hub, including administration, background checks, personnel file, onboarding paperwork, and other HR admin responsibilities. You'll verify the completion and confirm proper approvals and process employee transactions such as new hires, performance reviews, transfers, terminations, exceptions to pay, promotions, demotions, status changes. So you'll be updating employee records in the system, basically. So you'll generate new employee records in the system for new hires, and you'll maintain existing employee records in the human resources system for those employees. You'll verify the records are complete, accurate, and you'll review any documentation to assure proper policy application. So this position is basically just data entry of employee records. Now, one thing to note about this position, they are requiring an associate's degree or equivalent education and or experience in human resources accounting or payroll. So if you don't have an associate's degree, you're going to have experience in human resources accounting or payroll. They want somebody who has previous experience in roles where data accuracy and access were key responsibilities. So a previous data entry experience. You got to have great customer service skills, the ability to work in relationships in all levels, so being able to be professional, strong computer skills, especially with Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, and Outlook, and you have to have a problem solving, critical thinking, and organizational skills. Now, on top of the $19.23 an hour pay, they also provide a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.